Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm doing a review on a new product from Monument Grills. It is a propane grill, but it's a new product line that they're releasing. All right, so before I get started, I just want to say thank you to Monument Grills. When Monument Grills first reached out to me, they asked me to do a review on a propane grill, and I told them no. I told them, you've seen my channel, I use pellet grills, I use griddles, I use drum smokers, I don't use propane grills. So that's when they said, okay, and they sent me the tabletop griddle. And you hopefully have seen that review on that. We did a giveaway. They let me give away 3 of them. I thought that was awesome of them. And, you know, so they reached out to me again, and they said, hey, we've got a new propane grill that we want you to do a review on. And they told me a little bit about it, and I agreed. I said, okay, yeah, that sounds perfect. It's a 4-burner. The original one they wanted to send me was a 6-burner. 6-burner was way too big for at the time. 4-burner is perfect. And anyway, let's get this thing built and we'll go over it.
Okay, so yeah, we're going to move this into the backyard. We're going to go run through this in a little over 30 seconds for you. I don't want to bore you with the whole putting together of this thing. It was packaged very well. Look at all the styrofoam, all the boxes inside. It came with literally everything. Now here's a bird's eye view of me putting it together, thanks to my video camera up above. This really didn't take too long. I did take my time just because it was by myself. I wanted to make sure I got all the pieces together. It was very simple to put together, and yeah.
There you go, the Denali 425 Wi-Fi controller on a propane grill. Look at this thing. This is one good looking propane grill. Side burner. Look at that. All right. Got my propane down here. One thing I really like about this is, come around here to the back. This thing comes with a drip tray, right? And a drip pan. You're not going to find that in too many propane grills. Look at this thing. I got the black one. They have a stainless steel one. I wanted black to match my other grills. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a little burn off. You know, you just turn it on. I don't know if you can tell, but that controller, that ring turned red. And there we go. Got the flame in that one. And turn this one on. Same thing. And they turn right on. All of them are on right now. I'm going to have it at max heat for right now. We're going to do a little burn off, and here's the controller. Turn the controller on. And those burners got it up to 117. Full window. Look at that. You can see me in the reflection, but look inside there. My glass is a little dirty. We'll look at it again later. You can see the shelf. That's inside. You're looking inside right there. Pretty sweet, huh? All right, I'm gonna let this burn off, get all the factory stuff off, and then we'll do some cooks on it. Okay, 727. I decided to put a temp probe in here. I'm gonna let it go up. Now I've got these dials, and these dials are pretty cool because they're lit up. Let me block the sun. See there? Fire is on, red. When it's off, it's blue. Oh, I didn't even do the side burner. Let's turn that on. Look at that. Started right up. Pretty sweet. Okay, so I can't get my light to go off, but you can see how the dials glow at night. And when you turn them on, they turn red. And they light just like that. Pretty cool, huh? Red, white light, or blue. Just like that. And then of course you got your control panel over here. So when you have your plug in, you can set your desired, you're gonna hit the set button, your desired temperature that you want. Okay, just like that, and set it. Pretty sweet. And this center one is not to charge your phone. This is so you can put a phone brick in there, a charging brick in there to give this power if your batteries go out. So yeah, good stuff. Pretty sweet. And they're all off. And over here on the side of this, there's a button so the lights go out and you don't burn your batteries out. All right, now let's do some cooks. First cook on this, you got to do burgers. You got to grill some burgers on your propane grill the first time you get it, right? So let's get these burgers going. These are not just regular burgers, they're stuffed burgers.
All right, today we're doing stuffed burgers. One has jalapeno and cheese, green chilies and cheese, and just cheese. Oh man, look how we do this thing real life. Look at this. These were incredible. So good. Perfect. And of course I got to cut one open for you. Look at this. This is the green chili and Havarti cheese stuffed. Oh.
Okay, yeah, sure. We did some burgers. Now we got to do some hot dogs.
Who doesn't love hot dogs? Just throw some hot dogs on the grill. You got to get them burnt or charred, just like this. Roll them around, and man, before you know it, these are done. Of course, I had to have jalapeno, green chili, and mustard and cheese on these.
All right. So this grill can do burgers. It can do hot dogs. Let's see how it does on a T-bone steak.
Okay, I preheated my grill for 15 minutes, got it up to 725 degrees. We're going to get some grill marks on here. 45 seconds, give it a quarter turn. Another 45 seconds, flip it over in a new spot. 45 seconds, look at the grill marks on here. Turn it. After another 45, we're going to add the temp probe so we can bring this up to a medium rare at 1.5. Be careful when you do this. My left two burners are off, so I'm going to move it over here, indirect cooking. Close the lid. Took about 20 minutes to get to 125. I didn't get the alarm going off, but I did get the app. It says it's done. Look at that. Of course. Pull it off the grill. Man, perfect. You want to see what's inside? Well, let me just cut it open for you. You want to see a nice, perfect, medium rare steak? Look at this. Monument Grills Denali 425. Perfect, medium rare.
Now that we've done the steak, let me just go over the app real quick, and then we'll come back out. We'll go over it, pros and cons, and we'll wrap this up.
Okay, this is our Monument Grills app. I am sitting in my living room, and this is showing the temperature of the Monument Grills Denali 425 heating up. I've got it on high right now because I want to do a burn off for about 20-30 minutes. And look at that temperature going. And I wanted to show you on this app, it has timing, so it does have a timer. So let's say I want to go for about 7 more minutes. We'll just start the timer. Ding dong, my timer is expired. I also wanted to show you too, if you tap on that temp, 734, you're going to get your graph. And you got your timer and your temp probe. We're going to do, if you push beef, you know, you want it rare, 126 degrees. You can set start and it's going to go and it's going to set off. So this app is pretty cool. Choose all your different pieces of meat, medium, rare, well done, whatever you want, and hit start. So we're going to play with this. We're going to test some steak. We're going to do some burgers. It even has a burger there. I mean, how many times you really temp probe a burger? But it's not a bad idea, right?
All right, so one thing that I really like about this propane grill, and it has nothing to do with cooking, it's these wheels. All 4 casters roll, so you can move this thing forward and backwards, or however you want to do it. They all turn, and when you need to move it, it's a piece of cake, and they all 4 lock. They all 4 have these locking mechanisms. And yeah, I really like that about this grill. The other thing I really think is awesome for a propane grill, I mean, how many propane grills do you know of have a controller? You can hook it up to your phone, you can keep track of your temp, you got your temp probes, nice big numbers that you can read easily. And you know, the lights. You know, and it turns red when you turn it on, and white when it's not. Over here on the side, you turn them off so that you don't wear down your battery. It does have the cabinet for your propane bottle and anything else you need to store inside here. I really like this Monument Grills propane grill. As you can see, I've used it. case you're curious, 725 square inches of cooking space. That's 510 on the bottom, 215 on the top. Has the side burner, which I have not used yet, but I'll definitely be using that. And you know, it's got that drip tray down in there. You can see I've been using it. I've been enjoying this thing. It does have the side shelf. Now, cons. You know what? It's not really any cons that I don't like about this. The only thing is, you know, just like any other grill, they'll give you 2 to 4 probe ports, and they provide you with 1 temp probe. Works great. Did great on the steak. And you know, I didn't film, but that was in the steak, and I had this set to 125 degrees, and the alarm went off, and I thought I filmed it, but I didn't. The alarm goes off on here, goes off on your phone if you're keeping track on your app. It's awesome. You know when your food is done, and it really will take your grilling, your propane grilling, up another level. Okay, again, this is the Monument Grills Denali 425. Mine's black. They make a stainless steel one. They got the window that you can see down inside. I mean, if you're looking for a propane grill, this is the one to get. Okay, now to top it all off, if you get one of these propane grills, they're upwards of $650 right now. Okay, I'm going to provide you a code, so if you order this, you'll get a free rotisserie. A free rotisserie. So here's the code, and the code is right down below for you. And hey, if you're looking for a propane grill, I will recommend the Monument Grills Denali series, because they've got that controller board on here. They've got a controller board on a propane grill. How awesome is that? It runs on 4 batteries. They provide you the batteries. Everything about it so far. And I'm a pellet griller, but this propane grill is pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. I hope you check this out, and I hope you have a great day.